Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about mustard greens, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with mustard greens. So if you're looking for something different to do with the mustard greens that you have, or some new recipe or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have bacon, beans in general, but especially kidney beans, beef, black-eyed peas, cashews, chickpeas, eggs, fish and other seafood, lamb, peanuts, peanut butter, pine nuts, pork, sausage, sesame seeds, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetable category, other vegetables that pair well with mustard greens, we have carrots, celery, chilies, and chili pepper paste. Greens, like other milder greens like dandelion or spinach, kale, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, shallots, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, vegetables in general, especially ones that are more mild and a little sweeter in flavor, and yams. In the way of fruits that pair well with mustard greens, we have lemons, olives, oranges, pears, and raisins. In the grains and grain products category, there's breadcrumbs, farro, grains in general, millet, noodles, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's cheese, particularly goat cheese, smoked Gouda, Parmesan, and ricotta cheeses. In the other foods category, there's miso, molasses, oil, especially chili oil, mustard oil, olive oil, peanut, sesame, sunflower seed oils. Then there's soy sauce, stock, tamari, vinegar, namely apple cider vinegar, balsamic, red wine, or white wine vinegars, and wine, as in rice wine, and Worcestershire sauce. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.